So ayun guys, overtime kami guys, no? Naglifting po kami ng mga girder, overtime. Yun, pang ano to? 4th floor, 4th to 5th floor. Yan. So overtime tayo, overtime. Yan. Nakurintihan ka? Kauban, nakurintihan ka? Nakurintihan ka? Nagrownan ka, ground? Nagrownan ka?